All right, I'm going to be programming a key to this 2016 ProMaster. We do have a aftermarket key right here. We're just adding a remote. I'm going to go to auto selection, go under Dodge. The sun is bright, so there's going to be a lot of glare. All right, hit OK. We're going to be using the XP400 to create a dealer key, which I will show you here in a moment. It's just taking its sweet old time connecting. Here we go. All right, so 2016 ProMaster City. Okay, blade key. Let's go into hot functions. We're just gonna do key learning. So this is going to erase all of the old keys. And if you do not add all of the keys in at this same time, this moment, you're not going to be able to re-add the keys in at a later date because it'll completely block it out. Okay, so I think the internet's connected to the house, so it should be fine. Off and back on. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and save this. Oh, actually, it looks like we already have a file, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a couple of little numbers here, saved. So yes, we do need to generate a dealer key. So make sure we're connected to the internet, which it does show we're connected to the internet. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna take this key, we're gonna put it in the XP400, just like that. Click OK. Yes, it's connected. And it's gonna start generating. This doesn't normally take more than maybe 30 seconds. There we go. And looks like dealer key is successful. So when you do these keys, you only have about 5 seconds in between. So you gotta be quick. And remember, if you do not do this correctly and you somehow don't get this the first key or second key or one of the other keys in the system at this time, you're not going to be able to re-add them in. Okay, so I gotta be quick at this. Okay, we're gonna switch off. We're gonna put the new key in, click OK. And we now have 2 keys in the system. We do not have any more we want to add. Okay, switch ignition off. Switch ignition on. Learning successful. All right. So I always like to exit out of the programming mode on the tablet before I disconnect anything. Not sure if you have to, but I do it anyways. So let me go ahead and disconnect the OBD. And yes, it was like this when I got the van, so. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off, remove the tablet. So this is gonna be with the new key we just did the dealer key with. Make sure sure the light goes out. Everything looks good. And we got a runner. All right, next thing to do is check the remote. Just gonna open and shut the door. Oop. Second, I wonder if the battery is in there right. Okay, so that is something I'm gonna have to check and see. I know the case is a little loose, so maybe that's what it is. That's what the problem is. Or battery could just be, straight up dead, because that happens sometimes when you get these keys. Let's go ahead and make sure this other key is good. Yep, everything looks good. So I know they do make 2 different keys of the same type. But I did try the other one, and it just did not work at all. So yeah, maybe the battery's dead. I'll have to check it. But anyways, that is how you program a new key to a ProMaster City.